Oh, you know, I hate to see you go, and I wonder if you'll come back. 'Cause I can't stand the thought of a day or a moment that you'll be away. The thought alone makes me break into pieces I'm keeping for you. That's all I can do. Don't be surprised, butterflies never faded with you. Ooh, it's hard to believe you see something in me, but you do. Oh, you know, nobody else could compare to my angel that floats through the air. And she's got me reaching for the sky. I just wanna be by your side. Take me along for the ride. And I know I won't let go of you. If only you knew. Don't be surprised, butterflies never faded with you. It's hard to believe you see something in me, but you do. Yeah, you do. And I can't hide it, I get so excited, it's true. Without any doubt, and I just wanna shout it to you. Mackenzie, I love you. Mackenzie, I love you. Someday, maybe you'll see what I mean. You're just like chasing a dream. And I don't wanna wake up. You'll see, Mackenzie, you better believe you're everything I'll ever need. I just hope I can show it to you. For all that you do. Don't be surprised, butterflies never faded with you. It's hard to believe you see something in me, but you do. And I can't hide it, I get so excited, it's true. Without any doubt, I found out what I already knew. Mackenzie, I love you. Mackenzie, I love you.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up or fizzle alone. Can you know who inhabits your skin? And can you trust that you won't blow away in the wind? Do you tether your hopes or let go of the ropes in the hope that you someday descend? Just follow the road. the place where you belong. Just follow it home. Though it may not agree with the path that you seek, sometimes you just need to stop searching and stand up and go. Just follow the road. Can a bird take flight in the sky with no map and no compass for thousands of miles, and just glide through the air on a wing and a prayer, till the day he finally arrives, when the rain comes out of the clouds. It makes no decision to fall to the ground. His fate was ordained when the time came to rain. There's nowhere to go now but down. Just follow the road. The blood in your veins like a track for the trains. The heart always aims for the place where you belong. Just follow it home. Though it may not agree with the path that you seek, sometimes you just need to stop searching and stand up and go. Just follow the road. Love exist unexpressed, with no way to show it to you in the flesh. If you follow the road till it leads you back home, you'll find that the answer is you.
this morning, thunder in my head. I haven't felt this bad since I don't know when. The mirror is telling me to go on back to bed. I guess I might just blame it on the weather and the wine. I stayed up late drinking, thinking about that night. We started out with romance, but ended in a fight. She drove away in the rain, saying no one was to blame, but that can't be right. It must have been the weather and the wine. Our first date in the park, summer sun was shining bright. A picnic in the grass, she brought wine coolers on ice. We were blind enough to trust in love at first sight. Or was it just the weather and the wine? Now the clouds are gray and heavy, and the cold has come to stay. My friends have been saying I don't look so good these days. I can't bring myself to tell them it's the tears I've been crying. So I blame it on the weather and the wine. I'll blame it on